we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
Hey, I'm looking at these two renewed super-automatic espresso machines, the Philips 3200 with LatteGo and the De'Longhi Eletta. Both seem pretty cool, but I'm trying to figure out which is better.
Oh yeah, I've glanced at those before. What are you prioritizing, like ease of use, features, or what?
Good question. Probably a mix. I want something that makes good coffee, including milk-based drinks, without being a huge pain to clean. And adjustability is a plus.
Okay. Well, the Philips boasts about its LatteGo system being super easy to clean. Just 2 parts, no tubes, and it can be cleaned in like 15 seconds. The De'Longhi uses their LatteCrema system, which, from what I read, makes pretty good foam but might be a little more involved in terms of cleaning. It does have an auto-clean function, which is nice.
Ease of cleaning is a big plus for me. What about the coffee itself? The Philips says it has a aroma extract system for optimal brewing temperature.
The De'Longhi has a stainless steel burr grinder with 13 adjustable settings, so you can really fine-tune your grind. Plus it says it uses tubeless technology, so no old grounds stay in the brew unit. The Philips only mentions 12-step grinder levels, and doesn't go into detail about the burr grinder material. I'd consider the De'Longhi better in terms of coffee quality control.
Adjustable grinder settings sound great. What about the types of drinks?
The Philips highlights 5 coffee options at your fingertips, including cappuccino and latte macchiato, whereas the De'Longhi has a My Milk menu for latte, flat white, and steamed milk. It sounds like the De'Longhi is more customizable for milk drinks specifically.
Okay, so Philips is easier to clean, but De'Longhi has a better grinder and more milk options. What about reliability?
Both are renewed, so that's always a gamble. The Philips has a rating of 4.1 with 19 ratings, while the De'Longhi has a 3.8 rating with 11 ratings. This would indicate better reliability from the Philips.
Good point. And the Philips is much lighter, 0.01 ounces versus 24 pounds for the De'Longhi.
Yeah, the weight difference is massive. Overall, if ease of cleaning is the most important thing, and you want to make all drink types, the Philips makes more sense. But for better coffee and more milk drink customization, the De'Longhi might be a better choice.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.